Am I recording? Yes, I am. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be organising my nail charms that I got from good old TikTok shop. So I said in my previous video that I needed to order some more of these grid storage little container things. They should be coming on Friday, but because I've got the patience of a 2-year-old, I found these two in my nail desk that had gems and whatnot in it, and so I've rearranged them. So these are my temporary pots for the moment. So yeah, so as you can see, I have these gems that are from all over. To be quite honest with you, we have some Shein, A&A glitter, I'm not sure where I've originally got these lollies from. These as well I got from TikTok shop. There's a mixture in there. Oh, Charlie's Nail Art. So I'm just going to sort these out. Right, firstly I really need to go through these and decide which ones I'm going to be keeping and what I'm going to be putting in a giveaway. So I think I'm going to keep these because even though I've got some like this which are in here, I really like them. I think that's them ones, yeah. So I'm going to keep those ones. This will be my keep pile, and then whatever I'm going to put in a giveaway or give away to whoever. Oh my god, can you see my address? Bloody hope not. Yeah, I'm going to bang it in that box. So I will go through these quick. These I'm not going to keep. This is the maybe pile. Keep. Maybe. Keep. Maybe. Keep. I should have really done this beforehand, but it is what it is. Keep. I mean, this is nice, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Keep. Lollies I've already got, so I will give them away. These are cute. These ones I've got already, so I will put them in a giveaway. I've already got a load of these, so they will go. I'll keep those. I've already got some of these. Again, I will give away. Keep. Oh, have I got 2 of these? Oh yeah, we don't know what colours they are. I need to get my lamp, so that will stay there for now. And I keep those. They will go in a giveaway. I'll keep those. So with these ones, I think I'm just going to give away because I do have, can you see? I do have these two colours already. Oh, there's some hearts in there. Or maybe I can nick them hearts, because I don't have any green hearts. See there? Yeah. Alright. So we're going to find out about these ones. So they can stay there. Oh, I've still got a bloody lot. I thought I was giving like a lot away, but not really. Alright, bring them in there. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Do I do like animals, fruit? Because I don't have that many fruits. So let's do the cutie animals. And then we can put the bows here. Animal. They're flowers. Animal. What are you doing, you crazy dog? Animal. There's a mix. Animal. They are fruits. Bows. They're gems. Animal. Mix. Gems. You're probably thinking, what the hell are you doing? Hello. Okay, I'm not going to do them yet because they're a mix. They are mixed, and then right, to start me off, I'm going to do like the cutie animals. Can you see? Remove that. Right. I will probably speed through all this because I can't particularly, see you sitting there wanting to watch me do this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, and I've got 2 of these. So one we're going to give away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I'm just going to put. Do I bring the screen down? Can I do it? Hang on, let me take my glove off. Oh, a bit better. Right. How am I going to even do this? I don't know. Okay, so we've got a few bunnies. Maybe we do the bunnies. So we'll do these ones first. And I'm just going to go, obviously, row by row. Column by column. Okay, so I've been sitting here for a very long time now. I have got that done, and I've got quite a few left to do, and I just can't bother to do any more. I've been sat here for so long. So I may continue this later tonight or whenever I really can be bothered. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you didn't find this too boring. Anyway, I will probably speed up the majority of it because I just didn't know what I was doing. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.